How to add Instagram link to Facebook. First, you want to copy your Instagram link. For that, open Instagram. Tap on the profile icon, and over here you want to tap on Edit Profile. Now in here, you want to copy your username. So here, copy your username. Now exit the Instagram app. Now you want to head over to your preferred browser. Over here, you want to search for Instagram.com. Now here, you want to tap on the search bar. And as you can see, there is Instagram right here. So you want to tap on the pencil icon. And after slash, you want to paste the user of your the username that you have just copied. Now you want to go to that website. And as you can see now, this is the link of your profile. So you want to copy this. As you can see, it is copied to clipboard. Now head over to Facebook. Here tap on these three lines and then tap on your name. Here tap on Edit Profile. Scroll down and you can find links. So tap on Add. Here you can choose your platform. So this is Instagram. And now here you can add in your username. So just paste the link that you have just copied. After pasting it, you can tap on the Save button, which is at the top right corner. And once you save it, you have added the Instagram link to Facebook. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.